Morning friends, welcome to Rapid General Awareness. Here we are going to see the current affairs for 3rd of June. Friends, please share these videos with your friends and subscribe our channel to get the regular notification of our daily current affairs videos. So let's begin the first question. Which country has developed first of its kind contact tracing app utilizing the exposure notification API, that is application programming interface of Apple and Google? So it has been developed by Singapore and name of the app is Swiss COVID. Okay, and it is basically to track the spread of coronavirus. What is the name of special microcredit facility scheme launched for providing affordable loans to street vendors? So it is PM Swanidhi, which stands for Pradhan Mantri Street Vendor Atmanirbhar Nidhi. Okay, under this rupees 10,000 loan will be provided with tenure of 1 year. Union Cabinet has approved an infusion of rupees dash into the distressed MSME sector. So Union Cabinet has approved rupees 20,000 crore, which will benefit 2 lakh stressed MSME sector. Okay. Which states are included in One Nation, One Ration Card scheme recently? So, Odisha, Sikkim and Mizoram. So, all of these three are included in One Nation, One Ration Card scheme. What is the rank of India in the world's best startup ecosystems as per the Startup Blink Ecosystem Rankings 2020? So, India has ranked 23rd and this list is topped by USA. Okay. Who will head the committee set up for implementation of rupees 3 lakh crore collateral free loans for MSME? So, this committee will be headed by Minister for Defense Rajnath Singh. Which organization has developed Ultra Swachha, a disinfection unit to disinfect PPE kits, that is personal protective equipments and other materials? So this has been developed by DRDO. Basically it has been developed by the laboratory of DRDO, that is Institute of Nuclear Medicine and Allied Science, which is located in New Delhi. Okay. Which ministry has developed an e-book named 1 Year of Modi 2 towards a self-reliant India? So this has been developed by Ministry of Information and Broadcasting. Okay, and all the key achievements of Narendra Modi are added in this book. Which bank has acquired 24.19% stake in Dish TV India Limited? So this has been acquired by Yes Bank. Okay, and Yes Bank is headquartered in Mumbai and MD and CEO of Yes Bank is Prashant Kumar. According to the Indian Meteorological Department, which cyclone is to hit Arabian Sea affecting Maharashtra and Gujarat? So cyclone Nisarga is going to hit Arabian Sea. Okay, and Indian Meteorological Department is headquartered in New Delhi. Which state's Foundation Day was observed on 2nd of June? So, Telangana Formation Day was observed on 2nd of June. Chief Minister of Telangana is K. Chandrasekhar Rao and Governor is Tamilisai Soundarya Rajan. Okay. Name the artificial intelligence based national program launched by Ravi Shankar Prasad in partnership with NASSCOM. So the name of the program is Responsible AI for Youths. Okay, under this students of class 8 to 12 are eligible and it will provide AI based training to the youths. Who has been appointed as secretary in the Department of Chemicals and Petrochemicals? So, R.K. Chaturvedi has been appointed. Okay, and this department comes under Ministry of Chemicals and Fertilizers, which is headed by D.V. Sadananda Gowda. Who has been appointed as secretary in the Ministry of Steel? So, Pradeep Kumar Tripathi has been appointed and Union Minister of Steel is Dharmendra Pradhan. Okay. Center has approved 175 crore rupees for implementation of Jal Jeevan Mission in which state? So it has been approved for Meghalaya. Okay friends, these were the current affairs for 3rd of June. Friends, please do like our video, share with your friends and subscribe our channel. Thank you. Have a nice day.